What is going on, StocksToTrade followers, subscribers? This is Bryce Tuohey. First day of small cap recap, and basically today my whole goal is just to go over my three favorite trades, all alerted in small cap rockets, of course. And I've got them right up here on StocksToTrade. So, first play of the day, SSNT. This is the daily chart here. We had a pretty key 11 breakout the other day. Held really well yesterday. Let's get rid of that. Held that 11 area really well. I was actually hoping for the 1350s break. Didn't get it. And you're gonna see this intraday chart and be like, how was this your biggest trade of the day? I mean, there was no volume traded, right? Seemingly. But again, it was, so I noticed some really strong bidders pre-market, which this has never had. I've been trading this past couple of weeks, past week or two. And it's never been bid like this. Instant gap up from those bids. I took 5,000 shares at 1144 average. Scaling out here into my first sell was in the 1190s. Got some more off near 12 and got the rest off up here from 1240 up to 1260s. And I got, pardon my voice, locked in about 3,400 on that trade. Let's go over next to BTX. This was another great trade. So I took my first entry here, 3,000 shares at 12.15 was my average. So on this candle right here, sold all the way up into the spike. Took a little bit more right here, selling to this spike, and then one more time in this area, sold for a small gain, and then again in here with the same amount of shares. Actually, I might have taken a slight. No, you know what? I entered right here, took a slight loss on this dip, and then re-entered right here with 1,500 shares. Selling up into here, into the 22s and 23s. Locked in about $3,200 on that trade. And I actually did swing VTNR overnight from right at the close. And instead of selling, I actually added into this gap after we just slightly broke yesterday's high, added at 965. I had 9,000 shares. I ended up selling below low a day for a $1,500 loss. Came back, though, and saw it consolidating up here, so I took another 5,000 shares right in this area. My average ended up being exactly 950, so I added through this break, added up here. And then once I saw, this is interesting, right? Notice the lack of volume we have all day in here, right? No, nothing on the way up. There was actually a massive bid prop right up in this area in the 940s, and as soon as it broke down and instantly recovered, which it shouldn't have done because this was all taken out in like one print, I added again. Selling, I actually missed this. I was in the middle of filming Twist with Matt, Tim, Kyle, Jack, and myself. I missed the sell. I got my sell off right here I tried adding right at 10, saw it failing, cut at 10 for a $2,300 win. I ended the day up about $7,500. I actually am swinging some more VTNR from 970. So I've got another roughly $400 unrealized. But, you know, that could change. But I ended the day realized $7,500 today. Again, these trades were all alerted live in small cap rockets. And that is your day's small cap recap. Let me know how you liked it. Let me know what you think of my trades. If you have any questions, leave those down below. And if you like this, subscribe for more.